In Geodirectory, to create a contact listing form, we use the Ninja form because Geodirectory recommend Ninja form. But I've seen this, many people ask like how can we use other forms, or especially how can we use gravity form. So I'm not sure about other form yet, because you can tell me in the comment section which form you are using. But specifically I've seen that many queries comes for gravity form because it's a popular form, and many people are not happy with the Ninja form, they want gravity form. So how can they use gravity form to create a contact listing form in Geodirectory? So this video is all about gravity form. Let's start. So here you can see guys, I have a simple form created using gravity form, and this form has very simple field like the name, email, and some description that user want to send. But when you submit, when you will use this form anywhere in your listing, it will not send any email to the listing author. It will only send this form submission to the admin, and that's a problem with gravity form. So in order to make this form work with the Geodirectory, uh, the first thing we have to do is here is this link. I will add this link in the description of this video. This is the first step. So what this thing will do, what this code will do here, we will use this code. What this code will do is it will create a dynamically populated field for the post author. So it will basically create a tag kind of thing, dynamic tag, and where it will use the author email, it will return the author email. So we'll copy this code, and you can paste this code using the code snippet plugin. I'm using the code snippet plugin here, and I have already added this code here. You can use the code snippet plugin, or you can add this code in your child theme. If you are using child theme, then you can use this code in child theme function.php. So now that our dynamically populated tag has been created, now we will use this tag in our form. For that, I will go in the form, and I will use the hidden field here. So these hidden fields are not displayed in the front end, so they are just for data sharing purpose. And I will name it as author email. In the advanced section, I will just click on this checkbox called allow field to be populated dynamically. And in this parameter name, I will use this thing here called author email. So basically what we have created a dynamically populated tag for author email. So we will use that author email parameter name here. That's it guys, we'll save this form. Now the third step is we have to tell the gravity form to send or deliver the email to this particular email address too. For that, we'll go here in the setting and then in the notification. So here in the notification guys, either you can use this particular admin notification, and or you can create your new notification. So I'm just using admin notification here just to save my time. So here you can see guys, I have the admin notification. This is the admin notification, the notification that gets sent to admin whenever somebody submit this form. And here in the send to email section, you can see we are using admin email tag. So that means this form will send an email to the admin email. But what we need, we also want this form to send an email to the listing author. For that, we can go here, and then we'll go for searching the hidden field that we have created. So this was our hidden field. I will just click on this hidden field here and copy this thing from here, and just add comma and then the hidden field name. That's it. So this is done. I will just update this notification. Okay, so we have updated this form, and the fourth step guys is to use this form anywhere, and I'm using this form on my Geodirectory detail page. You can see I've already added the form, and now I will go in the front end and just refresh this page of my listing, single listing page. Okay, so before we submit this form, I just want to tell you guys that I'm monitoring all the email using the email log plugin. So whatever email will get sent to that particular listing will get delivered here. And before creating this video, I have tested it with one of the listings. So you are seeing here there are two emails. So just I'm giving you the demo now. So let's fill up the name. And I will send it. So now it's saying that thanks for contacting us and the email has been delivered. Let's go here in the email log and just refresh this to see if we have any further update after 9:45 a.m. So there you go guys, you can see here we have a email, latest email, and this email got sent to two email address. The first one is the admin email and the second one is the listing email, and the sent status is active, like that means it got sent. So in order to verify if it is the listing email, I will go here in the listing and I will click on this edit listing. So in that edit listing I will just scroll down and so here you can basically see the listing owner email address, and I'm just using that email address. And there are other options, like if you want to use the email address that has been provided in the listing, then you just have to edit this particular snippet here and use the proper code for it. You can also tell me, I will give you back that code, but for now it is simple that it's sending email to the listing owner. The email has been matched. So guys, this is how you can integrate a gravity form with your Geodirectory plugin and use it for sending email to your listing author whenever somebody wants to contact with the listing author. Thank you so much for checking my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.